Online writing, digital communication is essentially written speech. It's as if people are speaking. The great linguist David Crystal said that it came from a period of linguistic free love in the 1990s. But the linguist Dan Zimmer, also very distinguished, says people often punctuate creatively to express their tone of voice and their mood. And without those exclamation points, the social media often comes across as emotionally flat or cold or detached. So here is a tweet by Kim Kardashian. Just landed in Vegas, exclamation point, exclamation point, exclamation point, exclamation point. That was in 2016. And one writer says, these days it's as if our punctuation is on steroids. And with exclamation points, that seems to be true. And it's been commonly said that women use exclamation points more than men. I don't know if you found that. Many people believe it. And it was originally thought, since the 1980s, it's a mark of excitability, kind of a sexist thing to say. However, scholarship since 2006 has been arguing that's not really it at all. That exclamation points are used in social media simply as in friendly or supportive contexts, not to show emotion.